Fair last night. See the super Lucas Oil tractor pools. It was pretty exciting. It was loud. A lot of people here. Everything going on. But you know what? I decided I can't really do the Vanderburgh County 4-H Fair justice without coming back early in the morning, taking a walk around when things have settled down, photographing things like the farm equipment and the horses and all the farm animals. So hey, you want to take a little different tour? This is not the tractor pools, but this is the real 4-H Fair coming right up. There's always so much to see at a fair like this. Classic muscle car show going on up on top of the hill right there. So there's just so much to see. So let me see if I can't take a few photographs and kind of give you a real feel of what it's like to come to the Vanderburgh County 4-H Fair 2000. Yeah, this is funny. I can hear all the roosters, chickens, everything is hungry, ready to come out, ready to eat. Everything is so much more alive when it's early in the morning.
Hey, buddy. How's Jerry? I'm good. I'm good.
Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. How are you today? Huh? You okay today? Woo, boy. Got a big old snoot on you. You know what you do? Oh, now you're going to talk. huh? Oh, you talkers. You guys are talkers. There you are. Got little jackets on. Got a little jacket on, don't you? Huh? That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Yeah. Gonna take a little break. Hello, cutie. How are you? Huh? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I don't have any food for you. Nope. No food. Yeah. Hello, baby cow. Hello. Hello, got some little piggies. Oh, look at you. You squeezed right through there. No bars are going to stop you, are they? Heck no. Heck no. How's mama doing in there? Doing all right? All you kiddos? A lot of kiddos. Hello, baby. Oh, look at these pretty guys. Woo. Aren't you pretty? Yeah. Hello. Talk to a lady, you can kind of see her in the background back there. And she actually comes here for the entire week, camps with her family. Her son shows livestock animals. But then they get up early in the morning. Every morning they come out and they pick up any trash that's left around, which it looks pretty good, but maybe they've already hit this area. So I think that's pretty cool. It's all volunteer work, but just good-natured folks here in Indiana. Yeah, this was where all the noise was last night. You can see it's pretty quiet today. Man, did they have some ruckus going on. Woo! Gonna have some kind of a four-wheeler exhibition, maybe some races going on. Yeah, it looks like some souped up drag machines there. So that'll be pretty interesting. Now that's some American pride for you there. Southern Indiana, American pride. Looking good. Yeah, if you haven't had a chance, swing over to the channel and look at the Vanderburgh County 4-H tractor pools I filmed last night. But what's really amazing is this entire parking area over here was full of semis. I mean, we're talking, oh man, hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of equipment just all sitting in a row, and now they're all gone. And I bet you anything, Lucas Oil has a big event tonight. So last night, even though it was midnight when the event got over with, I bet you anything that they had to take off and head that way. Now I see there's a few of them left, but most of them are gone to the next event. Looks like we got a lot of volunteers right here picking trash up today. That's pretty awesome. Now I would say this guy's in there sleeping, I would imagine. A lot of money sitting there. Somebody's having breakfast. Hey, what you guys doing? Hi, buddy. Ringo. Hi. Hi. How are you? Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, what you looking for there, buddy? Looking to eat something there. Hello. Whoa, hello. Hello. Boy, aren't you pretty? Yeah. There we go. That's the more quiet side to the Vanderburgh County Fair. You can tell the animals are much more relaxed. I bet they just get scared to death when those big tractors pull like that. It's so quiet out here today, even the chainsaw man's not running. Hey, that's that eagle he started last night. That's looking pretty good. Oh yeah, let's walk down here. Like regular lawn tractors and stuff that they go in and modify and soup them up. They're pretty cool. Especially the kids are really proud of this, but the adults really like it. This is a pretty good idea this year. They actually painted the walkways, and that's always pretty cool because people put all their stuff down here and save it all, and you can see that it becomes a real problem and you can't even get through. And you can see the grandstand's pretty empty right now, but it won't be long, it'll be filled up. The one interesting thing I find about this photograph, and I don't know if you're picking up on it or not, but the lady carvers. Interesting. Or that's one heck of a rig Bear Hollow has. Wow. I would imagine them boys are in there sleeping right now. And this is all the wood that they bring to carve up. Pretty good sized chunks. Yeah, so if you come early to the fair, probably not a good idea to expect to get something to eat. At least not all the booths will be open. Looks like they're saving up their energy for tonight. Even the rides are quiet. I'm thinking they open up at noon. I see Team USA Toyota is making a proud stand here. Best-selling cars in America, it says. They are nice. Oh, Scotty on YouTube, he likes a Toyota. Heck yeah. Boy, you couldn't ask for a better day for a fair. It's going to be in the low 80s and a nice breeze. So have you ever had any cotton candy? You have if you're from the Midwest. Cotton candy. Yum, yum. I can tell you, that's a ride that I've never been able to do. I don't know what it is, but when I get to twirling around like that, that makes me sick. I just can't do it. Smack! Bing! Man, this is an old school ride here. That is vintage. Oh Lord, here's another one. Wow, there's no way I could go on that. I wouldn't last probably 60 seconds. Now I can kind of do the scrambler, but not for a long period of time. Maybe 2 or 3 minutes. How about you? Leave it in the comments. Let me know. I think I'm gonna have to leave the car show for another day. That's a whole nother video and I've got too many to produce already. So I'm gonna have to catch the car show another time. Looks like fun. Boy, there are no folks busier than farm folks. Man, they really take good care of their animals. Well, as usual, I appreciate you coming to the channel. That's LAF Space Film Fest. That's capital LAF Space Film Fest. Hey, if you would, hammer down that subscribe button. I appreciate it. Helps me to come places like this, the Vanderburgh County Fair. Show them to you. You can share them with your friends. Spread it around the whole world. Southern Indiana, beautiful place to live. Beautiful place to raise your family. I sure don't know my tractors. But I bet you people that do, man, these look like some relics to me. A lot of pride in vintage farm equipment and tractors. Makes a lot of sawdust. That's some teeth on that blade. Okay, that concludes my tour of the Vanderburgh County Fair early in the morning. It was a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun seeing the animals. I hope you really enjoyed that. It comes around every July, usually very late July. This is 2022. We'll see the Vanderburgh County Fair next year. You can tell this year we've had a little bit of rain. It's always good. Helps cool things off really nice. You have a good day.
It's a 7.3 IDI non-turbo diesel.
Wow, that's nice. That's pretty mint condition too.
Yeah, it's I'm not a Ford guy, but I take to this truck.
Were you Chevrolet?
Yeah.
Chevrolet, yep. Yeah, that's pretty nice there.
Actually rides like a Cadillac.
Wow.